Hello friend, good morning. Today I am going to talk about very important aspect of our health, and that is emotional health. So first I would like to tell that what is emotional health. So emotional health is a basically part of your mental health. And what is mental health? Mental health is consist of your emotional aspect, your thought process, your day to day, what your stress level, and then whatever you are taking a decision by using your brain. It will use some kind of energy, and it will release some kind of toxin. And if you cannot balance, if you cannot detoxify your brain either by taking a break or taking some healthy nutritious diet or in sufficient amount of sleep, you may get definitely disturbed after some period of time. So that is very much important to maintain the balance of maintain your mental health, and especially emotional health. We will going to cover this emotional aspect of your mental health. So basically, why we are discussing this, why emotional health is very much important, because there is an imbalance created between because of two factors, and this imbalance will lead to the disturbance your emotional health nowadays. What is that two factors? First is that digitalization. You are just turning your internet by using laptop or mobile phone. You can travel throughout the world just by using turning on internet. So all kind of news or kind of information you are receiving, just short duration of time, or just within a few second or minute, you are observing the information. And some kind of information is useful, some kind is useless, but all kind of information are going in your brain. So it will lead to the some kind of stress, because you same time you feel happy, you are happy with some news or some information, you feel anxious little bit or stressful because of some information. And you can you know uh, you may be feel competitive regarding some information. So this shorter duration of time, there are multiple feelings inserting into your brain. And second thing is that nowadays everybody is very much ambitious, and every field is very competitive. So in order to stay with particular field, you have to be very hard working, you have to do very hard work. Digitalization and increasing rising competition level at the world, so that will strengthen your emotional health. And at the same time you are ignoring your emotional health, because there is no visible signs and symptom of emotional health. Of course you can feel, but there is no visible signs and symptom, so it can be easily ignored. So because of this imbalance, raising the stress level and ignorance, it will hamper your emotional system. So it is very much important to take a awareness, have awareness regarding your emotional health, which is a part of your mental health. So what can be done? So just you can taken care of your emotional health by asking a simple question, that how are you feeling throughout the day, whether you feel good or satisfied or unhappy. If you are feeling stressful, so you have to find out what are the reason. Okay, if it may be due to highly work schedule, or it may be due to some project. So shorter duration of time you feel stressful, burnout, that is okay. After that burnout period, you must take a break, depending on your responsibility, depending upon your lifestyle. It is better to take a break after 7 days, 10 days, or 14 days, once in a month. It is okay to take a break. It will not only improve your quality of life, but also it will increase your creativity, and give you mental relaxation, and also detoxify your stress level. So better to take. Then if you are feeling very much depressed or low over a 6 month of time, and you are suffering from some traumatic disorder which cannot be cured by building a emotional support or by talking to a family member, so you have to visit psychologist or psychiatrist for your evaluation of your mental health. It is better to take a solution rather than suffering. So early diagnosis and treatment definitely help you out. Then some kind of stress are age specific. If you are in age group of 21 to 30, their age group is age, like the stressor for this particular age group are marriage, then building your career, then financial pressure are also there. So these kind of stress definitely present in particular age group. So you have to accept that okay, this kind of stress is always present, you cannot do anything. Ex- accept that stress level, and you have to learn how to maintain or how to ignore the stress level, because you are doing something to tackle the stress. So you just have to accept that this kind of stress level it present in particular age group. So you have don't not to worry about that age group, but just be conscious about your emotional health, because your thought process, your emotional aspect of brain is constantly working 24/7. But except sleeping hour, if you are sleep well, you can not feel any stress level like mental level, because your brain is sleeping. So good amount of sleep is very much important to tackle your stress level. And again, this stress, if you what if you cannot do anything regarding stress, so it will indirectly worsen your physical health as well. If you are suffering from some physical problem, so it will it have a detrimental effect on your physical problem, like if you have a blood pressure, your diabetes, it will worsen the condition. And if may not have this kind of condition, then it also create it has a potential to create this kind of physical impact on your body. So better to take care of emotional health to avoid the this kind of physical impact, and to improve the quality of life. So what we have discussed, I would like to summarize. The first, you, because of this imbalance, our emotional has, because of imbalance between increased stress level and ignorance, it is very much important to take care of emotional health. Second, how we are going to take care, just be conscious about your day, how you are feeling happy or satisfied or good, that is okay. If you are not, to find a solution. How to find a solution? Either you should take a break from your day-to-day life, or you should build up emotional support like family member, friends. You can hang out with them on daily basis or in a definite period of time whenever you are free. Or you can visit a psychologist if you are not you are not able to tackle the situation by own, or by help of family member. You can definitely find a solution. It is always better to seek a solution for a problem. So in with this, you can you know maintain your emotional health, and which is very much important nowadays. So with that, I would like to